afternoon mga ka-travelers. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Brun. Titingnan natin kung anong pangalan ng simbahan. Napakalaki. Ayan o. Tingnan niyo mga ka-traveler. Verbum de Caropactum established. Napakalaking simbahan. Tingnan natin dito sa ayan, napakalaki niya. Natin siya. Para siyang nasa Rome. Parang sa Rome, Italy. Yan, titingnan natin kung anong pangalan mga ka-travelers. Lakad tayo, papunta doon. Mga ka-travelers, tingnan natin kung anong simbahan siya mga ka-traveler. So the chapel dedicated to Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. The chapel dedicated to Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal is associated with St. George Preca. Annexed to the chapel there is the building which houses the headquarters of the Museum Society. The foundation stone was laid on the 2nd of October 1954. This religious complex was erected on what was previously a cholera cemetery site. The chapel's foundation stone was laid on the 23rd of February 1958 and officially inaugurated on the 13th of May 1964. So mga ka-travelers, yun yung merong bridge doon. Okay, dito na lang ang. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.